everyone, I'm Alex and I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today I want to discuss about the bandwidth savings that you could have if you are using MSIX packages. It's been almost a year since we started building MSI and MSIX packages for Advanced Installer. The first versions were purely for internal testing and evaluation of potential showstoppers like elevation requirements, virtual machine integrations, and so on. So when we released version 17.2 of Advanced Installer, we decided to publish an updated version of the Advanced Installer Express Edition as an MSIX installer to the Microsoft Store. As previously mentioned in other videos or our blog, one of the core benefits of MSIX is the native support for auto updates, a feature which was missing for MSI packages. MSIX auto updates are handled automatically by the OS without requiring additional third-party auto updater tools. The OS can download an update through the Microsoft Store, or you can enable auto updates for your MSIX packages without publishing your apps in the Microsoft Store. But what's even more valuable about this auto update feature is that during the update, the OS checks the differences between the old MSIX package and the new one, and knows only to download the new files. So, for example, if you have a 100 megabyte package, but you only change a 5 megabyte file in the new version of the package, then only that 5 megabyte file will be downloaded on your machine during the update. If you want to find out the update impact of your MSIX file, Microsoft offers a tool called ComparePackage.exe, which you can find in the Windows 10 SDK. There's a simple line which you have to run in the command prompt. You can check it in our blog post, which is linked in the description of the video. Now, if you run a comparison between two MSIX packages, the resulting XML file should look something like this. As you can see, it shows a complete report, including exactly what files have been changed, what new files have been added, what files have been deleted, and what remains unchanged. It also displays the update impact, meaning the size of the download. So we were intrigued to find out how much bandwidth you could save during downloads between versions. So we did a test on our free Express Edition of Advanced Installer. Now, as you can see from the graphs, the results are quite impressive. In the best case, you can only download 37.6 megabytes of data out of 148 megabytes, which results in almost 75% in band usage savings. By analyzing our releases from the last year, we calculate an average of 55% bandwidth savings. Now, just as a small note, minor updates will always lead to smaller download sizes. If you have a look at versions 17.1.1 and 17.1.2 of Advanced Installer, the download size was reduced by almost 77% because they included a small number of changes. So let's do some quick math over here. So let's suppose you have an app similar in size to Advanced Installer. For deploying its updates, you can save around 1 gigabyte per user per year in bandwidth usage, right? Now, let's expand this to 100,000 users. In this scenario, you save up to 100 terabytes per year in data transfers. With an average price of $100 per terabyte of download, which is the average price provided by cloud providers, you could save around $10,000 per year on your cloud budget. Now, as an ISV, if you don't want to publish your application to the Microsoft Store, you will probably publish it on your website, where users can download it through the MS App Installer Web Protocol. Based on our estimates, you can practically double your number of users and still pay the same current amount to your cloud provider for your MSI downloads. It works the same for large enterprise infrastructures. Not only do you save on data traffic costs, but migrating to this process would play a big role in the overall network traffic inside your infrastructure. It will result in decreasing the load over your network, which practically gives you more bandwidth to use for other purposes, without the need of additional investment in your infrastructure. As a small disclaimer, the data presented in this video is based on real estimates measured only for Advanced Installer MSIX package. For your own application, the bandwidth savings may vary depending on the update's frequency, percentage of changes inside your app between each update, and your cloud provider pricing. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to reach us for any additional topics or questions, check out our website, our forums, or leave a comment down below. I wish you all a nice day. Bye bye!